That's why I don't cook and clean. So people, oh, you don't cook and clean.
Oh, so you hire someone if you have to.
See, that's what you see when that system's in place. That way I can focus on other things. Think about, I gotta come.
Systems.
That's why. So think about it. What you want to eat? Oh, I gotta cook. Now I can't focus on you. But if I got somebody cooking, you gonna make sure. I just told you I'm a grandma's girl, so I'm gonna make sure you fed. I'm not gonna cook it. Now I know how to cook. I know how to cook. I just don't have time. So we gonna eat. Now, but I want you to cook it. Now, which one do you want now? Sometimes people can be a little too picky.
Hello, welcome to Reactions and Reviews. I'm your humble host, Eze. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy the show.
Fully aware that I'm going to get a lot of hate for this, but I am so effing tired of the amount of emotional labor that comes with dating black men. I am so tired of the lack of commitment, the lack of support, the lack of encouragement, the lack of money. Like, I don't know what to do from this point on, but I can tell you one thing. My interest in dating another black man is like 1% at this point. They want us to be ride or dies until they get their shit together, and then they don't want to support us in return. They don't want to commit to us. They don't want to marry us, but then they want all the benefits of being a husband without actually proposing to us. I need someone who's intentional in every single aspect.
I didn't make this video to dehumanize, to degrade, or to bash black women. Well, for one, I'm a pro-black man, and I believe in black love. I believe in black family. I believe in black children. However, I made this video to wake you sisters up because, ladies, you all are losing. Every year, more black men are waking up and going overseas. Every year, more black men are waking up and going outside our race, looking for love. That is why I made this video, okay? Now, let's break it down, break by break, with what she just said.
I am so effing tired of the amount of emotional labor that comes with dating black men. I am so tired of the lack of commitment, the lack of support, the lack of encouragement, the lack of money. Like, I don't know what to do from this point on.
Now see, she just listed what she is tired of from black men. What sisters, what they don't do is look at what black men are tired of from black women. Today in 2023, black women still expect black men to be like the men from the 60s. However, black women, have changed. They have changed. They believe they are quote-unquote slaves if they cater to their men. Sisters believe if I cook and clean for my man, I'm his mother. I'm sure you all have heard that before. Why am I gonna cook and clean for a grown man? I'm not his mother. Those are the things that black women say to black men. Yet, you want black men to provide for you. That's not how it works. If you made it this far, hit that like button and leave a comment to trigger YouTube's algorithm. I'm a new channel and I'm trying to grow. So hit that subscribe button and hit that bell to let you know every time I upload a new video.
Meet Eric. He says that black women are too materialistic. He is not attracted to them and he will not date them. Now wait a minute. Before we behead this poor guy, let's hear what he has to say, okay? Why won't you date black women?
The experiences I've had with black women is basically the first thing they want to know is how much money do you have? What kind of car do you drive? What can you do for me? And so forth. My experiences.
So your experiences, you couldn't possibly have dated all the black women in this world, could you?
No,
so,
not at all.
Don't you think you're generalizing just a little?
I'm not generalizing for anyone else except for myself. What I'm saying is that in my experiences, that's what I...
Okay, you say that black women are greedy, selfish, and arrogant.
The ones that I have dated.
And then you're like, oh, well, you know, what do you bring to the table? Sir, why would I bring anything else to the table other than my physicality? Because that's what you like. That's why you're speaking to me. That's why you've decided to pursue me. That's why you're in my face. That's why you're in my DMs. That's why you're texting me, calling me. That's why you're asking me out, whatever it is. That's why, because you like the way that I look. Why would I bring anything else other than that? Why would I bring anything? I'm not bringing anything to the table. I'm not bringing a thing to the table other than this fat ass, these big titties, this pretty little fight. No, that's it. That's it. That's all you get from me. That's it. And I'm going to take your money 100%. Yes, because that's all you can give.
She's a 10, but she doesn't cook or clean. What's in your rating?
Probably a 6. What I'm looking for in a wife, cooking is a big thing. I'm not saying that she'll be cooking all the time, but like that'll be something I'd really want in a wife material. So
I really hate it when men are like, if I'm paying all the bills, then you should at least be cooking and cleaning the house. I should come home to a meal. If I wasn't here, you would still be paying the bills. The things that you do that you consider is for our marriage, you would be doing if you were single.
Him having money ain't about me. It's about his self. It's about his confidence. It don't got shit to do with me. Because see, that's what y'all don't understand. When you deal with a broke man, his manhood in the trash. Self-esteem, self-love, self-identity, all of that in the trash. His bag ain't about me.
Okay, when you get benefits from your job, I don't really get those benefits. You do. If I left right here, you would still get those benefits. I wouldn't. Your check don't come to me. So therefore, I don't give a damn about how much you work. Because you was working before and you're going to be working after you met me. I don't care how much you work. A hard-working man is nothing for me. Because you're going to work hard with or without me. What are you doing for me?
Even when it comes to the gold digger conversation, what you don't see those other women do, even when they are just screwing men for money, is bashing men, inadvertently making men feel like they're not important. Also, too, telling them that they don't need men. Psychologically, we have been taught to disassociate ourselves. And even in that Malcolm X quote, where he says the black woman is the most disrespected, he also says to be near your man. Because who taught you to hate the very race that you're supposed to be with?
Men are at a point where they've become disillusioned with a lot of women because the veil has been lifted. Men are now checking out of relationships that no longer serve as assets to their life, but rather liabilities. Men are seeing the lack of gratitude and minimal to no reciprocity they encounter on a consistent basis from the other side. Unfortunately, we've built a society where men hear terms like toxic masculinity and patriarchal oppression constantly thrown around in public discourse, while they sacrifice at dead-end jobs trying to put food on the table and provide for their families. Men are tired of being gaslit and shamed for their masculinity and nature, and it's making them revolt against the same system that's holding them to unrealistic expectations.
A lot of times, I hear a lot of sisters say, black men treat other women from other race better. Well, why don't we take a look and see why that is?
I highly recommend marrying black men. A lot of Arab and brown women are reaching out and they're trying to find black men. And I say black men are kind. They're very secure in their masculinity. They're also gentle. They're also not like I see this a lot in the Arab community because I grew up in it. Men get very shy that their women are out there, or their women work, or their woman does something. And black men are very chill and secure about it. Like, she's on her deen, she's respecting herself. I'm not going to feel shy about this. And that's a huge cultural difference that I definitely appreciate from marrying a black man. So do yourself a favor, ladies. Find yourself a black man.
A lot of your sisters are losing good black men to different race of women because those women know their duty. They know their duty.
5 things I didn't know were controversial about my marriage until I posted about them online. Number 1, I like to look nice for my husband. My husband loves me regardless of how I look, but I love putting in effort to look nice for him. Number 2, and this one's really crazy, I make his cup of coffee in the morning for him. Number 3, I cook for him every night. Number 4, when we are together, I do not drive. And number 5, he is responsible for the final say in all of our financial decisions.
Hi guys, so I wanted to create a list of some skills that you should learn if you are interested in becoming a homemaker or housewife. So first on the list is cooking. Cooking is not only important for a homemaker, but is also important for family life in general. Food is what fuels our body, and when you control how it is made and what goes in it, you are doing yourself and your family a huge favor. Second is cleaning. So not only do you want to learn how to clean your house properly and most effectively, but you also want to use the best kinds of cleaners.
This past year, I made a goal to learn to make Mexican food for my 5. Here's some of what I made. cooking exotic food for my American husband. Oxtail soup. 8 hours of slow cooking. A lot of ingredients and spices. The meat falls of the bone. Rice is a must. OMG, I hope he likes it. He loved it.
A lot of sisters allowed feminism to brainwash them to believe taking care of your man and taking care of your family makes her a slave. There's nothing with a woman wanting a man that can provide for her and her family financially. Nothing is wrong with that. As a man, that's our duty, that's our obligation, that's our responsibility. We get it. Men understand it. The problem is, a lot of your sisters don't want to hold up your end of the deal. You want a man to pay for everything. You want a man to provide. You want a man to protect, while you offer nothing. You do absolutely zero. So ladies, why did I make this video? Let me go back and say this again. I did not make this video to bash you ladies. I made this video so you ladies can wake up. Y'all can wake up, because you ladies are losing. You ladies are losing to Asian women. You ladies are losing to Hispanic women. You ladies are losing to white women. You ladies are losing to non-black Muslim women. When are you ladies gonna wake up and ask the question, why are black men checking out? Why are black men no longer checking for us? Why are black men no longer proposing to us? Why are black men proposing more and more every year to non-black women? Now, what do you guys think? Do you agree or do you disagree? Either way, leave your comments below so we can start this conversation. Until the next video, stay safe in the streets. Later. That will wrap it up for today's episode, and thank you for joining me. So please leave a comment below. If you agree, if you disagree, it doesn't matter. Leave the comment below. And also, you tell me what you want me to cover. You tell me what you want me to discuss and what you want me to react to. Okay? And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you on the next episode. Please don't forget to subscribe. Let's rebuild the Black nuclear family. It is needed. Okay? God bless.